Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair, your go-to spot for car diagnostics, repairs and tips to keep your ride running smoothly. Today, we were talking about a common trouble code that can light up your check engine light. P0401 EGR flow insufficient detected. What does it mean? What causes it? And how do you fix it? Let's break it down. The P0401 code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation Flow Insufficient Detected. It means your car's computer has noticed that the EGR system isn't allowing enough exhaust gas to re-enter the engine. Why does that matter? The EGR system helps lower emissions by recirculating a portion of exhaust gases back into the engine. If there's not enough flow, your engine can run hotter, emit more pollutants, and perform poorly. Common causes of P0401. Number 1. Clogged or dirty EGR valve. Carbon buildup from exhaust gases can clog the EGR valve, preventing it from opening or closing properly. Remove the EGR valve. Clean it using throttle body or carburetor cleaner. If cleaning doesn't restore function, replace the valve. Number 2. Faulty EGR solenoid. Electric or vacuum controlled. The EGR solenoid controls the valve operation. If it's defective, the valve won't receive the correct signal. Use a multimeter to test for proper resistance or voltage. Listen for a clicking sound when the valve is activated. Number 3. Carbon buildup in EGR passages, intake or exhaust. Over time, soot and carbon can clog internal EGR ports, especially in older engines. Remove the intake manifold, if needed. Clean the EGR passages with brushes and solvent. Number 4. Vacuum line leaks. Cracks or disconnections in vacuum hoses disrupt the pressure needed to operate the EGR valve. Inspect all vacuum lines for brittleness, cracks, or loose fittings. Replace damaged lines. Number 5. Malfunctioning DPA sensor. The DFE, Delta Pressure Feedback EGR, sensor measures pressure differences across the EGR system. A failed sensor gives incorrect readings to the ECM. Test the DPF sensor using a scan tool or multimeter. Check hoses to the sensor for blockage or damage. If you're not comfortable removing parts or don't have the right tools, it's a good idea to visit a mechanic. Labor costs vary, but fixing P0401 is often affordable if caught early. Alright, that's a wrap on P0401. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Got a check engine light you want help with? Drop the code in the comments and we might cover it in the next video. Car Repair Pro Tips. Use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules. Thanks for watching.